Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this February the 5th, 2024. Hope everybody had a great Monday out there so far. Everybody has a great Monday evening. Hope everybody continue to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in today's video, we're going to be talking about your forecast for Tuesday and Wednesday. Also, we're going to take a look at the weather radar across the nation. Also, the Watches Warning Advisory map. Also, the Storm Prediction Center outlook for just general thunderstorms. I'll show you them for the next 3 days. And also, we're going to take a look at the Climate Prediction Center 8 to 14 day temperature outlook and the precipitation outlook as well across the nation. So stick around to the entire video and do not miss a beat of this forecast. Alright, if you're a new viewer and you have not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and consider subscribing. Love to have you. Like these videos, share these videos. And let's go ahead and get the show on the road here, folks. Alright, as you can see here, we got a low pressure system down here in the southwestern Atlantic, producing some showers and storms along the east coast of Florida. Pretty much high pressure is anchored in a portion of Alaska. I mean, not Alaska, but Canada. Ridging down into the southern Canada region. Also got high pressure dominating up here around the Great Lakes. Straight down into the southeastern United States. We got a high pressure system over Texas. Areas weather all the way up toward North Dakota. Alright, we got a area of low pressure developing over here in portion of Nevada with several low pressure systems that is located over Nevada, California, down in southeastern California, off the coast of California, and also up here in northwest California. Got several in little trough up here in portions of southwestern Canada, with more double barrel low pressure systems up here in portions of Washington State, and also one over Montana as well. Alright, you can see we got mixed precipitation there because of the low pressure system over Washington and Oregon State, with showers along coastal areas stretching down into California. The flooding rain will continue across southern California and also down towards southern southwestern areas of Arizona, over southern Arizona as well, stretching over to southern New Mexico. We have some mixed precipitation also over New Mexico, stretching all the way up into Idaho, California, down towards portions of Arizona. All of this activity is for pretty much for Tuesday, February the 6th, 2024. And like I said, here's the forecast. As you can see, we got high pressure pretty much dominate the east coast, one up in the portion of Canada, one over the southeastern United States, stretching all the way back toward Texas, all the way into Mexico and the Gulf of California. All the way down into the Gulf of California, moving east, and got 4 low pressure systems up here, same in southern Nevada, back in Arizona, New Mexico, also into Utah as well. More mixed precipitation from Colorado up through the Dakotas, also into Montana, and also into Wyoming. Alright, we have snow flying in portions of Colorado, back up to Montana and Idaho, and also in the portion of Washington, Oregon State. Much of California and Nevada is getting some snow there. And alright, you can see here we got a little bit of shower. Same down in portions of central Florida. Now mountain snow and also inland snow also through Nevada. Also into portions of Utah. Also, that's where the rain showers will occur. And some scattered activity over a portion of Wyoming. Also a little bit in Colorado and also southeast. There. Alright, well that finally came up. Alright, as you can see here, we got that coast of South Carolina. We still had flood watches up here in portions of. Also, we had a river flooding down toward Arkansas, Louisiana, East Texas. Some of the rivers have started slowly subsiding, so that's good news. This is that winter storm over warm warning. Also in effect for Utah, Colorado, and also in New Mexico. Winter storm warning is also in effect for you guys in Arizona. Winter weather advisory, winter storm warning for you guys here in Nevada, and also the mountain range of California and portion of Southern California as well. We have flood watches there also in effect for Arizona, New Mexico. Arizona and California. Getting ahead of myself, folks. Sorry about that. All the way up, stretching all the way up in the Northern California. Flood advisory on coastal areas here in Idaho, and also wind advisory is also in effect for portion of Arizona. All right, we got the small craft advisory on coastal areas extending from Washington State down to areas of California. Also a little bit down here in portion of Texas, all the way back towards the Florida Keys. We also have some extending from Florida all the way up to the Cape Lookout area of North Carolina, also toward eastern Virginia, same up toward Maine, and then the coastal waters out 20 to 70 nautical miles offshore. All right, as you can see here, we got some high surf warnings along the coastal areas of Hawaii. Also small craft advisory there as well. Also from Alaska, western, and we have a little area there right along western Alaska there with some well. Alright, now we're going to move on to the look here real quick. Hopefully it'll come up here in a minute. This was for today. This is day 2. We had general thunderstorms over here in portion of California, stretching all the way into Arizona and portion of southern Nevada. Everybody else is quiet. We have also over here in portion of Arizona, New Mexico, also in North Texas, all the way up towards South Dakota, Nebraska, and also can be your Wednesday. So, like I said, pretty much no severe weather. And finally, we're going to take a look at the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook and the precipitation outlook as well. If it ever makes it there. Wake me up, folks, wake me up. Never mind, Eric, in a portion of Michigan. Also, we have above normal temperatures over portion of Wisconsin, also back into Minnesota, portion of the Dakotas, and also into Iowa. Same over here in Washington, Oregon State, down in California, above normal temperatures, and also near normal temperatures as well. All right, all of Alaska is going to be above normal temperatures and below normal temperatures for the Hawaii and Tennessee Valley. Just slightly below normal precipitation from New York State to the Carolinas, back over to Michigan. Michigan, also back into Minnesota, and also Wisconsin, Iowa, and Missouri, and also Arkansas. Below normal precipitation also over here in the northwest, Washington, Oregon State, back in Idaho, also stretching back into Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, and Northern California. Only one that's going to be above normal precipitation during the next 8 to 14 days will be much of California, extending over Colorado and toward Florida, also back into Texas, also into portions of southern Arizona, and areas of New Mexico. We're going to have a below normal precipitation to the north and allow, and all the Hawaiian chain island will be below normal precipitation in the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook. Alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Everybody continue to stay safe and well. Also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got. Like these videos, share these videos, consider subscribing if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. So have a